followed by hands-on interaction with devices itself. So we have all the phones available, and we have our product manager.
Tonight we're here to introduce a number of very exciting announcements around the near-field communications. But today I want to talk a little bit about how we're bringing the NFC ecosystem to life. The campaign's here fixed, and the first version of the current version of the NFC Hub.
In Singapore, Nokia has done a tie-up with National Heritage Board, where we've set up different points, okay, with NFC tags. So come on, let me show it to you. There are multiple spots around the Bras Basah and Bugis district area where National Heritage Board has set up little billboards like these that it will tell you the area or the building you're at. And if you want to find out more about this particular landmark, all you need to do is just tap your NFC device here. Okay, if I have my NFC device, I just need to tap it. Okay, automatically you'll be given a link. When I press OK, will bring you to a site where you can find out more. And it's basically the NHB's website itself. It's a microsite that's been set up with Nokia. You can see all the different, or rather the history of how this building came to be here. Before that, it was a school, so on and so forth. Hi, my name is Joseph and I'm from Nokia. What I'm here to show you is the new range of Belle devices that we have announced here at our bloggers event. So first of all, we have the Nokia 700, which is the smallest. What happens is that it's the most compact touch monoblock device, smartphone in the world. We are targeting this device to be out towards more towards the ladies, as it weighs in, or rather it only comes in a volume of only 50 cubic centimeters, so that's really compact. Now in terms of the specs wise, it comes with a 5 megapixel camera, okay, with flash. It comes with also 2 gigs of mass memory, and also comes with Belle. Now next up is the Nokia 701, which we call the brightest. Now this device has an 8 megapixel camera with a dual LED flash, 8 gigs of memory, has a 1 gig processor, and this device, why we call it the brightest, is that it comes at the luminance of 1000 nits, which is basically the brightest display for smartphones that we have in the market at the moment. Now this will be very useful for users who actually go outdoors and want to use the device outdoors itself. So this is a very good device to use. It also comes with a 3.5-inch display. Last of all, this device is Nokia 603. Now it's just been announced last Thursday, and this device has a 3.5-inch clear black display. It comes in a range of funky colors. This is the white, the pure white, and users or consumers will be able to purchase it in other colors as well, like fuchsia, green, and the front can be either black or white to match the back cover. Now this Nokia 603 also has a 5 megapixel camera, and in terms of memory wise it's 2 gigs, and this is what we call the fun and bright, most colorful device. So in terms of the OS, let's talk about that right now. So for example, now Belle, one of the key improvements is what we have added in is, for example, the first one, if you see here, okay, the bar itself now is replaced by icons. So instead of seeing text, it complements very well with the whole main menu icon layout. On top of that, if you look at the very top itself, this bar is actually our status bar. So now here you can see two things. First of all, your notifications. If you have missed calls, new SMSs coming in, you can see that up here, down here, and on top, okay, you have quick access to mobile data. You want to turn off mobile data, especially let's say if you are roaming, one tap and your data is off. Now, other key features that I've added in is that you'll notice when it's out of the box, the menu is totally flat. What I'm trying to say here is that there are no folders. So everything is quickly accessed through the main menu, but of course if you want to customize and add another new folder, you can do so. So as you can see with the 1 GHz processor, it's so much smoother right now. You can move things around with no visible lag whatsoever. Now NFC or near field communications allows you to interact with devices or with tags to find out, to share, to pair, and even discover new stuff or content. Now first of all, for pairing, let's try with the Nokia Play 360. Okay, what NFC does is that it allows you to seamlessly interact with NFC compatible accessory. What I'll do is, let's say I'll play this song. Okay. So now it's playing. All I need to do is just to tap on the Play 360. Automatically it is connected and it'll start playing. And one more tap is disconnected. So it's that easy. Now that's for pairing. Now for sharing, it allows you to share photos, videos, contacts, and even bookmarks with other NFC devices, NFC supported devices. Discovering new stuff. Now what happens here is that for Singapore, we have done a collaboration or tie-up with our partner Comfort Delgro. If let's say you are at the Singapore Arts Museum, okay, over here, all you need to do at this NFC tag, just place your device over here. You'll automatically be allowed to send and book a taxi. Also, for example, for posters, let's say follow us on Twitter at this particular restaurant. You just need to tap your device at the NFC tag. You'll be brought to the landing page or the Twitter profile of this person or this establishment. So if I press OK, page loads, and then you will see the Twitter page. That's for NFC. Now for pricing and availability, okay, for these three devices, Nokia 700 is available now in Singapore, okay, and it's priced at 470 Singapore dollars. For 701, Nokia 701 is also available already, and it's at 515 Singapore dollars. Now last of all, for Nokia 603, this device was just announced last Thursday and in Turkey, alright, and it will be available tentatively in November this year in Singapore at a price of 390 Singapore dollars. So all in all, these three devices run on Belle, a whole new UI. It's a very good experience. Try it out for yourself and see.
Alright,
thank you.